Good morning from the office. Follow me on Instagram, at tommyfyeah. You'll see I brought my 32 in. Reason I brought my 32 in, well, there's multiple reasons, but the biggest one is it's freezing in my shop. I'm not gonna blast the heat to work in there when the heat's already on in here and I can fit a car. I can lay down on the carpet. I can do, you know, this is nice. This is nice, a nice scenario. So, if you saw yesterday's video, we got the R34, the Midnight Purple 2 R34 GTR. And we're not gonna talk about whose car that is, but that build's been in the making, being planned for months. The last piece of the puzzle was acquiring the car. We've been stacking parts. It's kind of weird, but we've been stacking parts and doing things behind the scenes for that car. The goal for that car is to be done by April 30th for ours meeting in California. That got me thinking, I should get my 32 done for ours meeting in California. So, with that being said, I've got a lot of work ahead of me having that 34 done and my 32 done. The first step of getting my 32 done is stripping the entire car down to nothing because this car is getting painted. The reason this car is getting painted is the paint looks good on this side. It's pretty good. It's got chips and stuff. It's whatever. But on this side, this quarter panel was painted and it failed. I don't know. I think you can see the color difference. The clear failed or something. So we're going to unearth whatever's going on in the quarter panel. This car is going down to bare metal. In order to do that, I have to strip all the interior out, all of the chassis harness, all the glass, everything needs to come out of this car. It's getting rotisserie painted and it is going to be brand new when I'm done. So I have 2.5 months to get my 32 done and the Midnight Purple 2 34 done so that we can go to ours meeting. Don't know if it's possible. Put in the comments if you think it's possible. And I'm gonna get to work. But one other thing I want to show you guys is something I've been using to work in here. Because I can't bring my toolbox, I've got my HKS Tone Track Day toolbox signed by Knob Taniguchi himself. And this is pretty cool. It's all your basic tools, 10 through 14 deeps, 5, 6, 8mm Allens, 3H drive stuff, all the sockets here. Got wrenches, adjustable Allens, hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, and this is my favorite part of this kit. 1/4-inch ratchet thing with all these little bits in it. Super cool. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work. We're gonna try to get this thing done. Stripping the interior for me should be easy. We're gonna stitch weld the whole front end here and re-seam seal because that's what we do. And then I'm just gonna start yummying down on this thing. Gotta get it done by pretty much early April. Quit being so gentle, he says.
You fucked it.
No, I didn't, you fucking prick.
Look
at that.
Oh, I could have got a bigger chunk?
Yeah,
what were you talking about?
You could possibly get.
This is as big as it's gonna get, and I got it. And that's the bottom layer and the top layer. It's a little chilly. I'm sending it to you.
Oh.
Get more.
Oh. Feel that.
Get some more. Let's cover the whole basin.
We don't have a scoop that big.
You got a bucket? All right, listen. It's gonna start popping off. Oh! Shots fired. Fuck, Ben's getting some fucking flashbacks.
Should have started.
Oh my God.
You're just sprinkling.
No, I'm gonna get the front.
The whole thing.
You're trying to waste it. I'm gonna
nice.
throw it on those guys, install in the compressor, and scare them.
That doesn't need any more.
Oh shit! Just get that off that rubber cap. What would you do if I threw a fucking dry ice bomb at the Kaiser guys? I shouldn't say bomb.
Turn this car
The
into
Kaiser bomb? That sounds like a...
No, a dry ice bomb. A Kaiser bomb. That sounds like some Cold War shit.
Yeah. The fucking Blitzkrieg.
Tsar bomb.
Hey, get away from those wires.
Those wires is fine.
Get the edge. Edges are real important. He just dumped it. Oh, you know why he's doing this? He doesn't want to bring the bucket of ice back.
Obviously.
It's the only reason he's pushing it. Holy shit. Fuck, that's cold. No. Dude.
Shit.
Hell yeah, you could sell
Get
that.
at me.
You can sell that on eBay.
See, normal people don't have this much ice at their disposal.
No, they're like rushing it. Oh, I didn't get the whole thing. Fuck. Shut up.
Wah, wah.
This is the most satisfying thing you can do in the whole universe of doing things.
Yeah.
Dude, this is sick.
So the key is to let it sit on there for a really long time.
Till it freezes. Get that fucking thing out of here. He puts this in, he hits everything on the way out. He's like this.
It's getting
He's like,
painted. It's getting painted. It doesn't matter.
don't hit anything.
Whatever, dude.
Let's do your car next. I got a couple of fucking things I want to try out.
European cars have a really good like seal on the inside, right?
Sure.
What if you filled the whole car with dry ice and then closed it?
You would suffocate.
No, like explode the car.
Oh, no, I don't think it's that good of a
I
deal.
think so.
Why don't you try it?
Yeah, you have a European car.
Yeah. Hey, you got a European
No,
car.
I don't want to try it on mine.
Just try it.
Let's try it on Rudnick's E30.
That has the seal. That thing not airtight.
Sunroof is caulked.
Oh.
How fucking fun is that? It's like chips. I dare you to eat a fucking piece.
No.
It's cold on my fucking fingertip. I thought I had some wheels arrive. Because there's 4 boxes, and the only time I get 4 boxes is when they're wheels. But the whole time I'm like, I don't remember ordering wheels. Well, boys, the most exciting part for my GTR showed up, and I can't wait to share this unboxing with you. This is, I gotta wait for Josh to come back in. This is insane. Get excited for me to open these 4 boxes. Pause the video right now and guess what's in them. Josh, you might need to come over here for a second. We got something.
They were heavy.
Yeah. Slice it open. Just be careful. So, 8 months ago, a little less, I inquired about this product, which I thought has been long discontinued. After about a month of back and forth, I discovered this product was not discontinued. And to my surprise, I guess you'd say, and I don't know, my dreams have come true. I am beyond stoked to show you what's in this. Hopefully it's just double box, and underneath this box is a really cool box. I can't tell. Be super surgical with that knife, because I'm gonna save every part of this. This side's still taped. Ooh, this is that's packed. Kind of dumb. This is the sickest thing I've ever seen in my life.
That's so sick.
This is the sickest thing I've ever seen in my life. Get excited, boys. We got 4 of these.
That is awesome.
That is so fucking cool.
Wow.
Oh, this is the brake kit for my R32 GTR Vspec. If you haven't figured it out, I've got a whole HKS theme planned for this car, and one of the most important parts is this brake kit. I'm so happy. So these are the R34 rears, I believe. We need to open the fronts just to see. Just put all those in there without opening them, because we'll lose stuff. Those are the rears. They're pretty big. They only make them for the 34, so I have to modify my knuckles slightly, because the hole for the 32, 33 is 12 mil. The hole for the 34, I think, is 14. So we're just gonna have to machine the hole out. I don't know what's what.
They're all kind of weighed the same.
2 of them are rotors.
This
Well,
is, 1 through 4.
oh, this is number 1.
This is number 3.
What was the other one we opened?
2.
Huh, maybe.
Let's see where we're at.
2, that's 2. That's 3. That's
So this
1.
might be-
I feel like this is the front calipers, but we'll see. We got lucky and this was the box. Now we're gonna get to see the fronts, which should be even more spectacular than the rears.
Oh, this is my deal or no deal moment.
They look massive. Oh my god.
Dang.
And it is massive. That is the coolest thing I've ever purchased in my whole life. Well, now I gotta go do a photo shoot, but I figured I'd share with you guys. Let's get it with the 34. Ooh! End of a drift day. Going to the Bowl-O-Rama. I need that for sure.
Was that the plate?
Yeah. So we're gonna go steal a car. I'm gonna film it, put it on YouTube. Never done this before. If everyone wants to know where I get my money, boosting cars.
Boosting cars. Dude, I haven't heard that in like 20 years.
Slinging parts for Harry and boosting cars.
Boosting cars.
We're gonna boost a car. We found the car we're gonna steal. All alone. Under a lamp. Go right, go left, I mean. That's the perfect car to steal with the dent in the fender. And in the quarter.
He ripped the wing off.
And the wing dripped off, but it has an exhaust. Let's see.
Pipe on her.
Two twice pipes. Dude, this thing is clapped.
I can't. I'm surprised it opened.
Stealing it.
Dude's got rims on it.
It's got a Z1 sticker. You ready?
At least it's manual.
Purrs like a kitten.
It's got 22s on it.
Holy shit, they're sunk. A fucking great day. Shop's fucking thrashed, but I want to show you some things. First thing I want to show you is the goddamn behemoth behind the camera. I told you we were starting a trucking company. I told you we were gonna pick up customer cars. I showed it to you, Jerry. Here we go. Is this the biggest bitch you ever seen? This is the biggest bitch I ever seen. So, we got a 48-foot aluminum behind the Denali. This is the most gangster setup you could tow a Skyline with, I think. So, behind door number A, we got a 33 here. Oh shit, what's that, a little S15? Behind door number B, we've got a fucking car that I'm beyond excited to check out. 32 GTR AH3, not LZs, don't get it twisted, but it's a fucking good one. So we gotta unload these and stuff, but I wanted to show you guys the trailer and I wanted to show you guys the cars that came in. These are customer cars, unfortunately they're not mine. And this is what 2 cars in a 50-foot trailer look like. I thought, hey, maybe we could fit 3. Abso-goddamn-lutely not. We could not ever fit 3. Anyway, I gotta show you something else. I'll show you this first. Kane came by, he needed some work done on his S15. Do you wanna pull that forward and unload those? Came by with his S15. I love that color TE on the white, by the way. Sorry about the wind. He's selling this car, but he needed some maintenance stuff. Kane, get rid of those granadors, dude. Knock off granadors. These are whack. Anyway, Spec R, real cool car. 370Z we just picked up. Picked this up for the homie Connor. He wants to come drifting with us, so he scooped a white 370Z. You saw me steal it from the mall. Kind of a weird deal. Shout out Connor for making it weird. And I'm gonna show you guys something that you should be very excited about. If you've been waiting for merch, I put a post on my Facebook. I talked about it in this video. Oh shit, we've already got hella merch going out. We should have this done by tomorrow, I'm assuming. But the boys, I had to stop working on my GTR so the boys could make this mess. If your order's in here, get excited. Sorry about the delay. And on that note, I have to end this video because I've got to go to the Ford dealership and cop something. Right, Mer?
Yep, we're going to see Melvin.
Yeah, we're going to see our boy Melvin.
Good old Mel.
Ford of Brandford. Is it Brand?
It's Brantford.
Brantford. We're going to Brantford. Might trade the old F-150 in for a diesel. A diesel. I'm whistling diesel. I'm coming for you, boy. I'm going to crush some shit and break some shit. And
Bury it under the dirt and put a snorkel on it like he did.
did he do that?
Yeah. Brand new truck.
Sorry, man. That shit's kind of dumb. But anyway, if you guys like watching that shit, you're in the wrong place. I'm going to go. Got to go to Ford. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.